In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly repost content using Hootsuite on your Chrome browser. Whether you're a social media manager, a small business owner, or just a digital enthusiast, mastering the simple skill can greatly enhance your online presence. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log into Hootsuite using your preferred profile. This part is straightforward if you've already set up your credentials. Open your Chrome browser, head over to the Hootsuite website, and enter your login details to access the dashboard. If you save your passwords on Chrome, it can fill them in for you, making the process even quicker. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, it's time to locate the post you'd like to share again. Navigate to your streams within Hootsuite. If you're not familiar, streams are essentially customizable feeds where you can view posts from different social media accounts, track keywords, and monitor social activity. Browse through these streams until you find the post you're interested in reposting. Once you've identified it, look for the share or repost icon, typically represented by an arrow or similar symbol. This icon allows you to share the post with your audience anew. Click on it to open the reposting interface. Depending on your settings, you may either repost immediately or add additional elements to enhance the post's reach. At this point, you're presented with the option to add a comment along with the repost. This is a great opportunity to engage your audience further or provide some context about why you're sharing the post again. Feel free to add a thoughtful remark or simply highlight its relevance, then review it to ensure that it matches your intended tone and message. Now, you're at the final decision-making stage, choosing whether to schedule the repost or publish it immediately. If it's a time-sensitive piece or relevant to current trends, you might opt for immediate publication. This ensures your audience sees it as soon as possible. On the other hand, if you're looking to strategically space out your content, scheduling could be the way to go. Hootsuite allows you to set a specific date and time for the repost, which can be quite advantageous for maintaining a consistent posting schedule. And that's it! You've successfully mastered the art of reposting on Hootsuite using Chrome. Taking full advantage of these features not only expands your content's reach, but also keeps your social media strategy dynamic and efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to navigate through Hootsuite's other features and familiarize yourself with its potentials. Thanks for joining me today, and happy